Welcome to Aiden AI, the channel where we explore the most powerful AI tools shaping the future.
Have you ever had a great product idea but no idea how to design the packaging? Whether you're launching an energy drink, a protein supplement, or even your own skincare brand, packaging can make or break your product. The problem is that hiring a professional designer can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. And if you decide to do it yourself, you'll probably end up spending weeks learning software like Photoshop or Illustrator. But what if AI could handle almost the entire process? Today, I'm testing Packify.ai, an AI-powered packaging design platform that lets you create professional product packaging just by describing your idea. What's interesting is that it doesn't just generate artwork. It also lets you edit your designs, preview them in 3D, create product mockups, and even export production-ready packaging files, all from your browser. So today I'm going to create an entire product brand from scratch and see if Packify can actually replace the traditional packaging design workflow. Let's jump in. This is Packify.ai. Everything works directly inside your browser, so there's nothing to install or download. I'll click Get Started for free and we're ready to begin. One thing I immediately noticed is that this isn't just another AI image generator. Packify is specifically built for packaging design, whether it's food, drinks, supplements, beauty products, skincare, or many other consumer products. And the best part is that you don't need any previous design experience. Everything starts with a simple prompt. For today's project, let's create a completely new energy drink called Volt Rush. Here's the prompt I'm going to use. Design premium packaging for an energy drink called Volt Rush. Use a matte black can with electric blue and silver accents. Give it a futuristic style inspired by gaming and esports. Make it feel energetic, modern, and premium. I'll let Packify generate the design, and honestly, this is much better than I expected. Instead of giving me random AI artwork, it actually creates something that looks like real retail packaging. The typography feels balanced, the colors work well together, and the overall branding already looks like something you could find on a supermarket shelf. Of course, the first result doesn't have to be the final one. One feature I really like is that everything remains editable. I can change the font, move the logo, adjust the colors, resize design elements, and tweak the layout until it matches the exact look I'm going for. This is a huge advantage because AI gives you a great starting point, but you're still in complete control of the final design. Now let's see how the packaging looks in real life. Packify can automatically generate realistic product mockups, so instead of looking at a flat design, I can instantly see what it would look like as a finished product. It even includes a built-in 3D preview. I can rotate the can, zoom in, inspect every angle, and make sure everything lines up correctly before exporting. If you're planning to manufacture a real product, this is incredibly useful because you can catch design issues before sending anything to production. Once I'm happy with the design, the final step is exporting it. Packify doesn't just export a simple image. It can generate production-ready packaging files, making it much easier to move from concept to manufacturing. That means you're not just creating a mock-up, you're building packaging that's much closer to being ready for the real world. Now that we've designed an energy drink, let's see how flexible Packify really is. Instead of repeating the entire workflow, I'll quickly test it on two completely different products. First, let's create a protein supplement. I'll enter a simple prompt asking for a clean premium design with white, navy blue, and gold colors. Just a few seconds later, Packify generates multiple concepts that already look like real fitness products. The branding, typography, and layout are completely different from the energy drink, which shows that the AI adapts well to different industries. Now let's try something else. This time, I'll create packaging for a luxury skincare cream. Again, I'll describe the product, the colors, and the style I'm looking for. Almost instantly, Packify generates elegant packaging with a completely different look and feel. Instead of bold graphics, it creates a clean, minimal design that's much more suitable for a beauty brand. This is probably my favorite part of the platform. Whether you're designing packaging for food, drinks, supplements, skincare, beauty products, or many other FMCG categories, the workflow stays exactly the same. You simply describe your idea, let the AI generate the design, customize it, preview it, and export it. After spending some time with Packify, I think its biggest strength is that it combines the entire packaging workflow into one platform. Instead of switching between multiple applications, everything happens in one place. From generating ideas with AI, editing the design, creating realistic product mockups, previewing the packaging in 3D, and exporting production-ready files. I also like that you don't need any experience with Photoshop or Illustrator to get started. The AI gives you a strong starting point, and you can easily refine the design until it matches your vision. Of course, if you're creating packaging for a real commercial product, you'll probably want to spend a little extra time polishing the final design. But compared to starting from a blank canvas, Packify can save a huge amount of time. Overall, I think it's a great tool for entrepreneurs, small businesses, Amazon sellers, agencies, or anyone who wants to create professional packaging without the traditional learning curve. If you've ever wanted to launch your own product but felt overwhelmed by packaging design, I definitely recommend checking out Packify.ai. You can try it for free using the link in the description below. And if you decide to upgrade, don't forget to use my code ADNA to get 20% off your purchase. Also, be sure to check out at Packify AI to see more examples and updates from the team. So, what product would you design first? An energy drink, a supplement, a skincare brand? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.